Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting with channel. Today I will show you how to make a keychains and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will use BC yarn, Giabor silk fino yarn and hook number 3.5 mm as shown now. I will start round 1. I will make a magic ring. At first I will use a blue yarn as shown now, blue color. Then make 5 single crochet inside that magic ring as shown now. That is second single crochet stitch, third, fourth and fifth single crochet stitch inside the magic ring. Then I will close that ring as shown now. And close with slip stitch 2. Then I will make a chain and make 2 single crochet into every stitch of next 5 stitches. I will make 2 single crochet into every stitch across that row, then close with slip stitch to finish round 1. I will start round 2. I will make a chain as shown now, then make single crochet into next stitch, and make 2 single crochet into the next and repeat with same sequences. So I will make single crochet into next stitch and 2 single crochet into the next and repeat that across that row, then close with slip stitch to finish that round and cut the yarn. I will make it and I'll come back. I will start round 3. I will join a red color yarn as shown now, and make 5 chains. Then I will work into a wrong side of every chain as shown now, into third loop with the shape, and I will pull a loop on the hook to have 6 loops on the hook as shown now. That is 6 loop as shown now on the hook. Then I will pull a 7 loops on the hook into same stitch and leave 2 loops every time as shown now, and repeat with same sequences as shown to have 1 loop on the hook as shown now. I finished that round. Then I will start round 4. I will make a chain and I will work also in the wrong side as shown now. I will repeat with same sequences, put the hook and pull the rope and leave other loops on the hook without leaving, to have 6 loops on the hook as shown now. Then I will put the hook into same stitch as shown now and pull another loop to have 8 loops on the hook as shown now, and leave 2 loops every time and take a loop on the hook and leave 2 loops on the hook as shown now, and continue making the same thing across the row. Now I finished round 4. Then I will make round 5 and round 6 with same sequences without make a chain of the beginning of that round. I will make it and I'll come back. I finished 6 rounds, then I will start round 7. I will skip first stitch as shown now and repeat with same sequences across the row with the same sequences. I will make it and I'll come back. I will start round 8. I will make slip stitch into every stitch across the row as shown now. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished first petal, then I will make slip stitch into next stitch as shown now, and repeat same thing for another 4 petals. So I will make 5 chains again and start a new petal and repeat with same sequence across that for another 4 petals to finish that round. Now I finished that round and I made another flower with the shape. Then I will use a tapestry needle as shown now to sew that two flowers together. Join them with a tapestry needle for every stitch across that 2 flowers as shown now. I will join it and I will come back. Now I finished joining 2 flowers together as shown now and leave a hole to fill the flower with a stuffed material and join a chain. Now I finished that flower and stuffed it. Then I fasten off the yarn. After clean our work as shown now. Then I will join a chain to our flower to make a keychain as shown now, and I will lock it. Now I finished that flower to use a keychain, and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.